Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Homely Studies. Today our topic is perception. In this I'm telling you meaning of perception, definition of perception and nature characteristics of perception. Firstly, you should know meaning. Meaning. What is the perception? Perception is process of framing opinions from one person in different views. Okay, that is the meaning. See, I have given you notes clearly. I will read that, listen and learn. Okay, perception is the process through which the information from outside environment is selecting and received and interpreted to make meaningful, means should make frame opinions may frame from our minds. That is perception. Definition. This definition is given by S.P. Robbins. What is the definition? Means perception is the process in which individuals organize and interpret their sensory impressions in order to give meaning to their environment. Okay, that is the definition of S.P. Robbins. Okay, for perception. Perception, it is having different types of thinkings in their own points is called perception. For perception I will say one example. It is funny, please listen. In one house there is two brothers. Okay, one brother is elder brother is vegetarian and another guy is non-vegetarian, but his mother prepares mm, vegetable rights, but his elder brother wants to eat non-veg. He feels very calm. That means framing opinions for a surrounding situations is said to be as perception. Okay, let's see nature characteristics of perception. Activation process. Activation, an individual get brain activate to form opinions. Sense organs are activating. Activation process is nothing but activating mind. For this I have to say one thing. In a organization, okay, manager should think according to the perception of employees and talk with them. Okay, that is activation process. Next is subjective process. Subjective process is also one type of perception. Subjective process means looking or touching of an object. Okay, different persons have different perceptions by touching an object. Okay, that is said to be as subjective process. And wider than sensation, it is also one type of perception. Nature. Okay, nature of perception. Sensation is the starting point of perception. Okay, there is difference between sensation and perception. I'm saying you, sensation is the starting point of perception. It means sensation means not a big word like what you are thinking. Sensation means sensory organs reaction. Okay, sensory organs will feel touching and drinking but not thinking. Perception is thinking and analyzing and interpreting thoughts. Okay, that is perception. But sensations means touching, feeling. We feel that touch or drinking water, etc. That is said to be as wider than sensation. Next, mental process. Mental process is also a nature of one type of nature of perception. It is a state of mind, state of actions in mind which is running. That is said to be as mental process. Okay, multiple use, many ways of thinking to do more activities. For example, in an organization there are different employees are working for one organization goal. Okay, should manager should give motivation, job satisfaction, directing, controlling, and interpreting the data in systematic manner. Okay, this includes multiple tasks for running organization, that is said to be as multiple uses in perception. Okay, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is today's topics. Thank you.